Hello friends, there is one more chance to get a free goodies and free t-shirts from Microsoft Azure. This time the Microsoft Azure is conducting a very good quizzes and different type of events so that you can win different type of goodies and different type of things just like cash rewards also. And here you can see sponsored by Microsoft Azure. So I'm just going to show you what these are things, how you can participate, what are the rules, what are the requirements, and how anyone can participate in this. So firstly you can see this type of Microsoft Azure swags distributed by Microsoft in the past by conducting different type of events. So here you can see different type of t-shirt, different type of badges, different type of things are there. I think this type of swags maybe they are going to distribute in this event as well. So next thing is, this is my channel Career Edge. Please subscribe it because there are lots of education opportunities videos will be always available here. And if you subscribe it, you got all the notification from my channel. So please click on the bell icon, and please like this video and share with your friends. If you wants to more this type of videos, then it will motivate you if you like this video. So next thing is how this cloud quizzing challenge will be going to work. So there is lots of prizes. I already mentioned this, but I am just going to show you how you can participate in this. So this is a cloud quizzing challenge from Microsoft Azure. Here you can learn, participate, and win different type of goodies. It start from 8th of October to 17th of December, and the registration process of this Microsoft cloud quizzing challenge is very easy. Just your first name, last name, and your email is required. After that, your mobile number, organization where you are working, or if you are in the studio, if you are the student, then you just mention your organization. Next thing is designation, and after that you need to click here two boxes. You can see here there are two boxes are there. You just click it and just register for it. Or designation for the student who are currently pursuing any degree, just fill student, and if in the organization fill your institute name. And if you are a experienced or you are a fresher in any company, then mention your company name. And after all the things are just a few things you can mention as your requirement. And next is about the challenge. This challenge is from the Microsoft Azure, and this here they will going to they will just motivate the students to learn about Azure by this type of events, so that student can participate in this type of events and learn about Microsoft Azure, because Azure is one of the leading cloud platform in the world. And I think this is in the second platform after AWS. So there is a very good chance so you can participate in this, and you got a knowledge about Azure as well, and you got multiple swags from Microsoft Azure as well. Next thing is, there are lots of quizzes is there. Total 3 months this event is going to happen. Total there is total 3 months, and it will be going to start from after 20 hours 57 minutes when I am shooting this video. And this will be going to start from 8th of October, and you can participate in any type of quizzes. Means if you are watching after the 8th, then you can also participate in this total. If you watching before 16th of December 2021, then you can participate in this quizzing challenge. And this will be open for all. There is no any criteria and any limitation for anyone. The next thing is how it works. So first you need to register. I just showed you how you can register for this. Next thing is learn. When you tap on this, you find lots of materials from Microsoft Azure, which is all available for free, and you can learn from them. Next thing, you need to participate in different type of challenges. I'm just going to show you which type of challenges are there. And next thing is, you can win different type of flags and different type of other goodies, which I'm just going to show you. So the different type of challenges are there. Total 3 months are there, and total 10 challenges, 10 weekly quizzes are there. How they will going to distribute prizes with respect to this quizzes, I'm just going to show you. But the most important thing is the two tournaments winner, the top two winners of this tournament, is those who are going to participate from the first quiz to the last quiz, and they score they top the leaderboard. The top two winners will get a Microsoft Xbox. And next thing is quizzes. Each quiz will have three winners who will be awarded prizes. So next thing is scheduled quizzes. So here you can see different type of quizzes are there. October quiz 1, October quiz 2, total 10 quizzes are there. You can see here that full list. So I'm just going to here I'm just showing. So you can see 8th of October, and there are lots of quizzes you can see. And the quizzes are multiple choice questions. Have a multiple choice question. All the quizzes open from 5 p.m. and total 30 minutes time are there. You can start this quiz at 5 p.m. and total 30 minutes are there, and you can participate in this by going through these quizzes. And I think all the questions are multiple choice question, and you can choose the correct one which is correct. And if you score highest, then you have a chance to get different type of things which I'm just going to show you. So if you want to get an idea how this quiz will work, so you can just go through this practice quiz. I think this is already expired, but I think when you tap on this, it works. And it already happened on 5th p.m. of 4th October, and there are lots of students participated in. And also you got a leaderboard for each quiz, as well as for the whole tournament as well. There is a separate leaderboard. So if you top the whole tournament, then if there is a top two winners will get Microsoft Xbox, and for the top three winners of each week quiz will get 8,000. For the first one, second one will get 4,000, and third one will get 2,000. All the top 10 winners for each weekly quiz will get a free 10 cool t-shirts from Microsoft Azure. And I just showed you how which type of t-shirts Microsoft Azure will give. Here you can see different type of t-shirts you can see on the screen. So in the past events, and they distributed this type of t-shirts. I doesn't know which type t-shirt they are going to give in this event. And next thing is rules. You can see here the rules. Participant need to register for only once in the parts. Here there is no duplicate registration. If you do this type of spamming by registering with the same name, same email, same phone numbers, then you will be disqualified. Next thing is weekly quizzes are conducted live. All the quizzes are live. There is total 30 minutes time from 5 p.m. to total 5:30 p.m., and you need to participate in that time only. And next thing is participate need to participate in the weekly quiz on time. So I already mentioned all the things are and the last 2 years not for means the general thing. You not need to violate any of the terms and condition related to this. Next thing is how can I register for the tournament. If you have any question, just go and visit frequently asked questions there. And if you want to apply for this, then there is a link in the description. Just go and apply for this cloud quizzing challenge. This is sponsored by Microsoft Azure, and this is organized by Confab. And there is one more information about Confab I want to share, that if you know about AWS 3 skill challenge, then that is also conducted by Confab. So this is very good platform. This time Microsoft Azure contact him, and they give them tasks to conduct this type of quizzing challenge. And in the they are already conducting different type of challenges on AWS Reskill platform. And if you doesn't know about AWS Reskill, just go and search AWS Reskill Career Edge. You got a separate video for that, and you got an idea of AWS Reskill as well. So this is all about this cloud quizzing challenge from Microsoft Azure. And I think you got all the idea about this. And if you like this video, please share with your friends as well. And please do comment if you if you got any benefit from my my videos. So that's much in this video. Thanks for watching, and meet in the next video.